Welcome to my YouTube channel. To learn unit conversion, you need to by heart these values. So here the difference is there. From deci to centi, here is difference is 1, and centi to milli also the difference is 1, but from that milli the difference is plus 3, and also here is also plus 3, difference is 3. Here is also difference is 3, here is also difference is 3, here is also difference is 3. Same for deca to hecto, hecto to kilo, here is the difference is only 1, and from that the difference is plus 3. बुझ्नु थिएन? एखाने चाहिँ सिरियल एक कसो राखिबन छ भाइ डेसी टु सेन्टी, सेन्टी टु मिली, माइक्रो, नैनो, पिको, फेम्टो, फेम्टो, so indifferent answer कसो राखिबन छ भाइ डेसी, सेन्टी, मिली, माइक्रो, नैनो, पिको, फेम्टो, एटो, जेटो, येटो अनि कसो राखि आर नेक्स्ट indifferent डेकानिफ्राय डेका, हेक्टो, किलो, मेगा, जिगा, टेरा, पेटा, एक्सा, जेटा, योटा इदि होननानै कसो राखिबन छ भाइ इखिनि मोनसे टेबलखौ कसो लाखिनो हाबासो नोंसोर इउनिट कन्भार्जनखौ खालामनो हागोन नेक्स्ट टपिकनि थाखाय. Okay, you need to by heart this. So the unit of mass is kg and unit of weight is Newton. You need to know that, and also for the volume. For the volume there is the SI unit is what? SI unit of volume is meter cube. Clear? To learn the volume, you need to learn this also. Here 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube, 1 decimeter cube equal to 1000 ml equal to 1000 centimeter cube. From there we know that 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube and 1 ml equal to 1 centimeter cube. You need to learn this also. Also, the density unit is so what is the density? Density is the mass per unit volume. So density is represented as rho, and the unit of density is what? Mass per unit volume. So what is the SI unit of mass? Is kg, and the SI unit of volume is what? Meter cube. So the density unit of density is what? Kg per meter cube. Clear? Because the density formula is mass per unit volume, and for mass the unit of kg, and for volume the unit of meter cube. After that we are going to discuss about temperature. Temperature is represented as capital T. So unit of temperature is 3 types. First one is degree Celsius. Degree Celsius is represented as degree C, and second one is degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit means degree capital F. Also the third one is the Kelvin. So what is the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Clear? So after that we need to learn the relation between degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius to degree Kelvin. Okay? So what is the relation? The relation between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit equal to 9/5 of degree Celsius plus 30. Clear? And the relation between degree Celsius and Kelvin is Kelvin equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. Write the question.
Convert 35 degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade
when we need to convert this 35 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, we need to write the relation first and put in the value of 35, and by solving the calculation, degree centigrade value is 1.6 degree Celsius. Clear? And after that, we need to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin. So what is the relation between degree Celsius to Kelvin? Is that Kelvin relation is that Kelvin equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. So in unit conversion, we are going to learn from basic conversion to advanced conversion. So what is basic conversion is that? Basic concept. In basic concept, what we know that starting from milli, after that centi, after that what? Deci and meter and meter, deca, hecto, kilo. So from this table, what you know that kilo is the highest value, highest unit or highest value, and milli is the lowest unit. Clear? So what is the difference between milli and centi? Difference is 10 unit. Here also difference is 10 unit. And also here is the difference is 10 unit. Here also some 10 unit. Here also 10 unit and 10 unit. Okay? So when we convert lowest to the highest unit, what we got? Example, from 1 milli to centi, or 1 milli to deca, or 1 centi to kilo. What we got? From milli, 10 unit. Milli to centi, difference is 10 unit. And from milli to deca, the difference is 10 into 10 per 100. And also from centi to kilo, difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 10 to the power 5. Clear? Okay. So now to convert lowest to highest unit, lowest to highest unit, let's take an example. 1 meter to kilo and 1 deca to hecto and 1 centi to deca. What is the value? For that meter is what? From that meter and from that kilo. The difference is 1, 2, 3, means 10 to the power 3. But from meter and kilo is the highest value, so we need to divide that from 1, means 1 divided by 10 to the power 3. And what we can write like 10 inverse 3. Clear? And for deca for is that this, and deca to hecto, what is the difference? 10, means only one difference, 10 inverse 1. Clear? And from the centimeter, it may be centimeter, centigram, centiliter, like that. So from centimeter when we convert into the decameter, the difference is 1, 2, 3. So we need to write like 10 inverse 3. Okay. So when we summarize this example, what we can write? What we can write at case 1, from lowest to highest, what we can write? Lowest value equal to 10 inverse negative value of highest, and case 2 is from highest to lowest, what we can write? Highest unit equal to 10 to the power positive of lowest unit. This is unit. This is highest and lowest unit. Clear? This is the trick. Clear? So previously we discussed the table. What is the value of kilometer? From table is 10 to the power 3 kilometer. Clear? And what is the value of millimeter is 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter. This is millimeter, this is kilometer. And so from this value, which one is the least value? Is millimeter. So kilometer is the highest value and millimeter is the least value. So in that question, we need to convert from highest value to least value. So the value should be positive. Yeah? Write positive value in the first. মানে kilometer to millimeter, highest to smallest value conversion now 10 to the power positive jagan positive ke sikamone lirane lagyo. Ya na? Positive ke sikamone lirane lakhangani unaw ma खालामनांगोन ikane sira solve खालामदो. By putting that into 1 kilometer, what happens is that 10 inverse 3 and this one is divide from 2 millimeter and solve this minus 3, and when it goes in the up, then it will be negative of millimeter. So the value is 10 to the power minus 6 millimeter. Here what happened in the problems, 1 kilometer equal to 10 to the power minus millimeter, but in the trick what we got that from kilometer to millimeter conversion, the positive sign should be there. So this negative should be positive and 6 value is as it is 6. Clear? Trick mode थांबानो जाबाय. Trick mode जोंनिया मा थानांगौ? उन्दैयाव जुदि कन्वर्ट खालामनांगौबाथाय याव जोङो पजिटिभ खालामनांगौ आरो पजिटिभ खालामनांगौनानै याव पजिटिभ एज इट इज होनानै इ भेलुखौ जोङो 6 भेलुखौ याव एज इट इज 6 लिरनानै लागोन. Clear? So now after that we need to convert from kilometer to picometer. We need to convert kilometer to millimeter and kilometer to picometer. So same like 10 to the power 3 kilometer, and what is the value of picometer is 10 to the power minus 12 picometer. Here when we here which one is the least value? Picometer is the least value. This one is the least. So here also the highest to least conversion, and highest to least conversion is 10 to the power positive. Here also positive. Here, and after that solve this 1 kilometer equal to 10 to the power minus 12 and 10 to the power 3. And this one is 12 minus 3 equal to 10 to the power minus 15. But this minus is positive here because here is highest to least conversion, and same value should be there. Clear? So the second one, in the second one This one is also milli, and this one G means gram, means milligram. And here also K means kilo, G means gram, kilogram, and this nano and gram, nanogram. Clear? So what is the value of milli from the table? The value of milli is 10 to the power minus 3 milligram. And what is the value of kilo? 10 to the power 3 kilogram. Clear? But here the kilogram is highest and milligram is least. Means this one is highest unit, least to highest unit conversion. So here is what we get negative value. Write negative before. Negative को सिकाउनु लिएर लाग्यो छैन. In you now solve कम ना 1 milligram equal to 10 to the power 3. This one is positive 3 kg. Clear? And the value is 6 kg. So the value of milli 2 kg is 10 to the power minus 6 kg. Clear? And after that 1 mg to nanogram. Mg same unit minus 3 mg, and what is the value of nano is 10 inverse 9 nanogram. Clear? So here milligram is minus 3 and nanogram is minus 9. Which one is the least value and which one is the highest value? So here nanogram is the least value. This one is the least. So here what? Highest to least conversion. So 10 should be positive. Power of positive. So solve this. 1 mg equal to 10 inverse 9 to 10 inverse 3. What we got? Minus 3 plus 3 equal to 10 inverse 6. So what is the value? 10 to the power plus 6. Using minus dengan using plus dengan biasa use ya. Misalnya treatment use kamu minus 6 atau plus 6. 3 itu ke minus atau plus ke use kalau nak first is a by problems ni tak. Is a by rough problem ke nak sila main copy of nama. Is it table tu na? Table ni face itu itu dah fill in the blanks out lina hati sini tu kan. Into rough pelu kan sila side out lina nila. Jangan ikut main page out lina. Yeah. The question number 3 is the unit of volume. So what is the volume unit? This one is the liter, this one is also liter, and this one is decimeter cube. So what is the relation we got before? 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube and 1000 of ml. So here what we see that millimeter to liter conversion means what? Least to highest conversion. So highest conversion there is 10 inverse. It should be negative. So what should be the value? 1 ml equal to 10 inverse 3 liter. Here write down here 10 inverse 3 liter. And what is the relation between liter and decimeter cube? This one is the relation. 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. So put this value as like liter. Okay. The behavior table बता गया table खोलोगे सो रखी और trick के सो रखी highest to least conversion of 10 to the power positive से here और least to highest conversion of 10 inverse. So that's all for today. Thank you.